Okay, welcome back. 270 points lower on the Nifty. 24,680 is where we are at now. Nimesh is with us with what he's picking up from dealing rooms. Nimesh, good afternoon.
Hi, Prashant. Afternoon. So, a day is low, but again, it looks like more of a profit booking kind of a day. No alarm bell, so to speak. The flows are quite mixed. It is, in fact, 1:1 on the pad. So, not much in terms of aggressive selling as well, is what I understand as far as flows are concerned. The sector I would like to highlight is, Prashant, the PSU bank stocks. This is where I understand there is a basket buying at a leading FI desk into PSU bank stocks. So, kind of a churn within the PSU basket, a bit of profit booking in the defensive names and so-called the outperformers in the last few weeks, and now a bit of buying into the smaller or underperformed PSU stocks. So the PSU bank basket is what has been well bid by larger institutions today. The other sector which deserves mention is the technology. We've seen a bit of a pullback purely in short covering in the large cap names, but I understand especially in the mid cap IT names, there is a bit of buying interest back from larger institutions. So it's a down day, but not an out, so to speak. A bit of profit booking day after the recent rally. But there is a selective buying interest which is happening, as I mentioned, in the PSU bank basket as well as in technology names.
Okay, all right. What about individual stocks, Nimesh? What are you picking up?
So the first stock on my list, Nigel, is IIFL Securities. A bit of course, it's down today because of overall market performance. But broadly, I understand there is HN activity picking up in IIFL Securities. I understand some large HN investors have bought as well in the last couple of days in IIFL Securities. So that's the first stock. Second stock, Bajaj Finserv and Reliance Industries. Both have seen delivery-based buying in the last couple of days. And I understand a leading long-only FI has been an aggressive buyer in both those names. So delivery-based buying and a long FI is a buyer there. Third is Union Bank. I spoke about there is a basket buying in PSU bank stocks. Union Bank stands out in terms of delivery-based buying in today's market. So it's relatively outperforming as well in a down market today. And there is aggressive buying from larger FIs in Union Bank. And the last is Interglobe Aviation. All eyes will be on the earnings this quarter. But ahead of the earnings, there is a bit of block offers in Interglobe today. So looks like some bit of profit booking in that stock as well from larger FIs in today's market.
All right, Nimesh, thank you very much for that. So interesting list of names as always. Now, let's talk about